Mr. Trump woke up in a spooky fridge. It wasn't a mistake. Global warming, maybe there were magnets with his face. All saying different things, all true, all the best. From the back of the fridge a letter spoke. Mr. Trump, why are we here? Because of you. 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 The lettuce cried. It became iceberg lettuce. Then it had to pay tariffs on frozen vegetables. Trump blamed, very unfair.